To help you get started with your GarageBand project, you'll be given some assets to download and use when you're building it. To help keep everything organized, it's best to create a folder on your desktop where you can keep all of those downloads and find them easily. To create a folder, you can use a two-finger click, secondary click, anywhere on your trackpad, and then choose New Folder. It's probably best to give it a name you'll remember. In this case, I'm just going to choose GarageBand Assets. These are all clickable links that will give you access to each of these different assets that you'll need to download or preview. This first one here is an audio recording that's similar to what you'll be creating with your GarageBand project. So you can download it, but you can also preview it ahead of time and see if it's something you want to download by just playing it in your browser. So if you click play, then you can preview it and hear it before you choose to
Pearls of
download.
Wisdom. Hope by Emily Dickinson.
When I click download,
Hope.
it will go into my download folder, and then from there, I can drag it and drop it right into my GarageBand Assets folder. Then you're going to follow those same steps for everything else. For this text link, it's going to open up in a Word doc with the three little dots here on the side. You can choose to download that. And that will download as a file. Same thing, click and drag to your folder. Now these last two are a little bit different than those others. The project loops are a bunch of sound files that you can listen to and decide if you want to use them or not. When you click on that, it's going to open up a folder, and then each of these folders are the different types of loops. So you can click on those, and then you can open them and preview them within the browser and listen to them and see if it's something you're interested in downloading and using. If it is a loop that you'd like to use, then you would follow those same steps and click to download, and then you'll have that loop downloaded and ready to use. Now for this last one, this is actually a template to help you get everything going in your GarageBand. And so this, you want to actually download the entire folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and choose to download. And it's going to download the entire folder for me as a zip drive. So that I'm going to drag here first, double click on that. It'll unzip it for me. And so now you see I have an actual GarageBand project file that you can open within GarageBand. I'll show you that later. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and drag it and put it into my folder. And this we can send to trash because we don't need it anymore. And that quickly is how you can access all of these different assets that you'll be given to help you build your GarageBand project.